स्विंग्स वो होते हैं जो ऊपर नीचे चलते हैं, गोल गोल जो घूमते हैं ना नीचे, वो मैरी गो राउंड होते हैं। चलिए शुरू कर रहा हूं मैं। हर्षित सेकंड।
Yes, sir.
आवाज बढ़ाओ थोड़ी।
Okay, sir. अब सही है?
थोड़ी कम है आवाज, इसको वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपना बेटा।
Okay. Sir, अब
हाँ बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B10 Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is a scene of a farewell.
फेयरवेल नहीं, फेयर।
Fair. Yes, sir.
हाँ, फेयरवेल अलग चीज होती है। फेयरवेल तो स्कूलों में विदाई पार्टी होती है, वो होती है फेयरवेल।
Yes, sir. One day, me and my friends went. I and my friends went to a fair.
हाँ,
There was much rush and people were going here and there.
हाँ,
There were many shops. Some were selling on shops and some were purchasing anything.
हाँ,
On the shops, there were many things like toys, sweets, utensils, some household work things, etc.
yes.
We were enjoying very much. There were many rides.
मैंने
Rides.
तो तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है, तो बहुत ज्यादा कम आ रही है। मैनी राइड्स क्या होता है?
बहुत प्रकार की
है? आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है तो तुम्हारी। आगे बोलो।
We sat in them and we were enjoying much. There was a circus near the fair.
हाँ,
We went inside it and there were some jokers and many other people. They were entertaining us. We came out from the circus after watching. We came out.
हाँ। हो गया बेटा? आवाज बहुत कम है तुम्हारी। देखो तुम, आवाज कम क्यों आ रही है तुम्हारी? बहुत कम आ रही
Okay,
है
sir.
तुम्हारी आवाज। आज तो आवाज बहुत वीक ऑडियो था तुम्हारा आज। कोई बात नहीं, चलो। रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Today I am telling a fair.
फेयर।
ये क्या सर? Fair.
अबाउट ए फेयर, ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा।
Yes, sir. About a fair.
हाँ,
We go to my Nana's house for went to fair.
अरे अरे, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? कौन सा टेंस यूज कर रहे हो? वो कहां से आ गया?
Yes, sir.
क्या कर
Went.
रहे हो आप? हाँ,
Yes, sir. When we went to Nana's house for went to village fair.
for went to, for going।
For going to village fair.
हाँ,
We saw there were many shops like food shop, toy shop, clothes shop, etc. Some people eating food there
ध्यान दो, ऐसे नहीं।
were eating food. Some people were buying toys.
हाँ,
Some people were buying clothes.
हाँ,
We we ate we there were swings
हाँ, ठीक है.
and we saw there were a circus.
There was a circus. एक ही तो circus है.
There, there was a circus. We went there and we saw there was a joker.
हाँ,
He was very funny
हाँ.
and we enjoy village fair. I
Enjoyed.
enjoy.
इसका ध्यान रखो.
Yes, sir, enjoyed. I bought toys and
नहीं,
my
bought.
bought. Yes, sir. My mother bought clothes.
हाँ,
We ate many foods like samosa, kachori, gulab jamun, jalebi, etc.
हाँ.
We returned our home, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश. और थोड़ा ध्यान दो, है ना?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Harshit first.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Modi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is fair.
हाँ,
Last Sunday, I went to a fair with my family.
शाबाश. हाँ,
There were there was very crowd. सर भीड़ को क्या कहेंगे?
ठीक है, crowd ठीक है, rush use कर सकते हो आप. There was much
Crowd.
rush.
There was much rush in the fair. There were many shops like food shop, clothes shop, book shops, etc.
शाबाश, शाबाश. हाँ,
Some people were purchasing purchasing books and some were purchasing clothes.
बहुत अच्छा.
Some peop- some children some children were playing here and there. Some children were purchasing toys and someone cried for toys.
Crying. Cried क्यों आएगा?
Crying.
हाँ,
Some people were sitting on the सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे फर्श को
on floor or in
on
ground? On
floor
ground. हाँ,
on ground. Yes sir. There was a cir- there was a circle near the fair.
हाँ,
We went there.
हाँ. बोलते जाओ.
We both the tickets
Both
and
बेटा, boat.
boat and we went inside.
हाँ,
There were many peoples who were seeing the Joker.
हाँ.
There were some Joker who is very funny,
Who were.
who were very funny.
हाँ,
We we pur- I purchased toys from there and my mother purchased clothes for us.
purchased. Second form.
Purchased. Yes.
हाँ,
We ate there many things like dal, bati, samosa, etc.
very good.
We came back home by auto. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने, शाबाश. Keep it up. दिव्यांशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Divyanshi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B6.
हाँ,
Today's topic is about Dashera Fair.
हाँ.
Last Saturday, we went to on the Dashera Fair with my family.
We went to आएगा ना, on क्यों लगा रहे हो?
Okay, sir. We went to Dashera Fair with my family.
हाँ,
There were so many shops like sweet shops, game shops, cloth shops, and etc.
एंड एटसेट्रा नहीं, एंड नहीं लगता है एटसेट्रा से पहले.
Okay, sir. Etc. Some people purchased things.
नहीं, वर परचेजिंग पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
आप
Some
देख रहे हो ना
people,
उस समय क्या हो रहा था.
yes, sir.
हाँ.
Some people were purchasing things. Some were selling things, and some were looking. There was a circus
हाँ.
where some jokers were showing their show.
हाँ.
There were a magic stall where
was.
there was a magic stall where a magician was showing his magic.
हाँ, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
There were many games.
हाँ.
Most of the chil- most of the child were
Children.
most of the children were playing the games,
हाँ.
and their parents was seeing them.
वर. वाज क्यों आएगा? पेरेंट्स तो प्लूरल हो गया ना. वर सीइंग देम.
Yes, sir. But seeing them, I also were was playing some games.
हाँ. मैंने भी खेले. अब ये पास सिंपल में आएगा. आई ऑल्सो प्लेड सम गेम्स.
Okay, sir. I also played some games.
हाँ.
I bought some toys.
हाँ.
I bought a magic book.
हाँ.
We ate ice cream,
हाँ, शाबाश.
and we purchased some sweets
Very
for our neighbors.
good.
Um, we we purchased a ticket for
हाँ.
circus.
हाँ.
We enjoyed the circus very
एक
much.
टिकट खरीदा क्या आपने?
नहीं सर, बहुत सारे.
एक टिकट क्यों? फिर आप टिकट्स बोलो ना.
Okay, sir. We enjoyed circus very
हाँ.
much.
हाँ.
Uh, we purchased some clothes.
शाबाश, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. बोलते जाओ. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Our parents also purchased some clothes.
हाँ.
We came back from the fair at 8 o'clock.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश. बस कंटिन्यू रखो इसको ना. वेरी गुड.
Yes,
यस.
sir.
ज्योति.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling about the Shira festival, the fair of the Shira, and one day I and my friend decided to go to in the Shira fair. So we went there by the bus and we saw many things, like there were many eatable shops, and there were many bookshop, and there were many toys and other things, other shop. And in the Dashera festival, I I saw many I saw many things, like there were many people walking here, and there were many people were walking here and there, and there were many people who purchasing many things, and
ओवर
there
परचेजिंग.
who were purchasing many things, like toys, wo, cars, and teddy bears and balloons. and i I saw that many children were crying for purchasing that that tech that toys.
दोज
And
टॉयज.
what the
दोज टॉयज आएगा ना. दैट टॉयज कैसे
okay,
आएगा?
yes sir,
दैट
yes sir,
सिंगुलर है. टॉयज प्लूरल है.
yes
हाँ.
sir, Yes, sir.
इन
And
चीजों ठीक करनी है आपको अपनी। हाँ,
मुझे उसको क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब स्टेचू, स्टेचू बोल सकते हैं।
स्टैचू ही होता है और क्या होता है, बोलो तो
Okay,
सही आप।
okay. And I saw that there were three statue. First, Ravan, Kumbhakarna,
नहीं,
and
स्टैचू नहीं, एफईसी बोल दो आप इनको,
FS.
एफईसी, एफईसी।
FS. Yes, sir. I saw there three FSCs. First, Ravan. Second, his son Meghnad, and third, his brother Kumbhakarna. And it is said that effigies were burnt, sorry, are burnt in for for badness.
हाँ,
And there were many people who were bargaining with shopkeeper for less money on the
हाँ,
on the purchasing
सही
on the
तो वेरी गुड।
purchasing things.
हाँ,
And I saw there many merry-go-rounds and swings. And I said to my friend for swimming into them. And we went to near, and
इवेंट
we
टू नियर क्या होता है, इवेंट देयर।
sorry, we went there, and sit and sat in the swing,
एंड एंजॉयड द स्विंग्स, बस काफी है।
and enjoyed the swing. And we gave some charge of this swing.
हाँ,
And I I and my friend also bought many things from for there from there. And we enjoyed this festival very much. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। कल से अच्छा है तुम्हारा, आज थोड़ा सा और पकड़ने की कोशिश करो चीजों को।
Yes,
थोड़ा सोचोगे ना कि भैया क्या सही है क्या गलत है, तब
yes,
होगा
sir.
थोड़ा सा ठीक। ओके, वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं है, अच्छी कोशिशें करते रहो बस। प्रैक्टिस तो चाहिए ही चाहिए लैंग्वेज के लिए। पिंकी,
Yes, sir. Jay and all of you. My name is Pinky Ole. I am the student Raman online interactive classes. Today I am telling the Sera Fair
अबाउट दशहरा फेयर। इतनी जल्दी
about
भाग रहे हो आप, पता नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ। आराम से बोलो। आई टेलिंग नहीं, आई एम
about
टेलिंग।
the
क्योंकि स्पीड से
about
मत
the
भागो आप,
Sera.
आराम से तसल्ली से बोलो जरा, है ना।
Yes, sir.
ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि दिमाग में भरा हुआ है बस उसको निकालना है आपको।
No, sir.
बोलो।
Last week I went to the Sera Fair by an auto.
हाँ,
I went to I went the Sera Fair with friends.
हाँ, आराम से बोलो,
I
ऐसे तसल्ली से। हाँ,
I bought I bought tickets.
हाँ।
They I saw there are many shopkeepers
देयर
selling.
वर, वर
Sorry,
वर,
sorry, sorry.
भगो मत, भगो मत।
Were there were many
पास्ट
shop.
टेंस की तो मेरे को प्रैक्टिस करवानी है, और पास्ट का ही ध्यान देना होगा, तो फिर काहे की प्रैक्टिस
Yes,
होगी।
sir.
बोलो आगे।
There were many shopkeepers selling toys, balloons, sweets, and crackers,
हाँ,
etc.
हाँ,
And I saw two joker.
हाँ।
There are many
यार,
sewing.
ये आर की बीमारी है क्या
Sorry,
कोई?
sorry, were. There are
परसेंटेज में मेरे को
were
बोलना पड़ेगा आपको।
there 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 were many sewing.
स्विंग्स,
Sorry.
स्विंग्स।
They there were many people,
हाँ,
and there was much crowd.
हाँ,
And I saw a big Ravan.
हाँ,
And mm, and there were some children playing here and there. And some children playing balloons and
प्लेइंग विद बैलून्स, वर
with
प्लेइंग विद।
sorry with balloons. And
हाँ,
we eaten
एट सेकंड फॉर्म।
at sorry we ate tikia and idli sambar. And
बोलो
and
बोलो।
that day we were very enjoy.
वी एंजॉयड वेरी मच।
we enjoyed very much, and and some people सर झूलने को स्विमिंग
were enjoying swings.
and that's it.
हो गया?
Yes sir.
ओके ठीक है, कोशिश तो अच्छी है। राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो अभी आप।
Yes sir.
थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़े हो, नहीं तो यहीं अटक के रह जाओगे अब। अनिशा, अच्छा है तुम्हारी। पिंकी, आज की कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है, बस करते रहो ऐसे ही। इच्छा,
Yes sir.
नहीं, अनिशा 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 अनिशा।
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Anisha Meena, and I want to tell about the Shera Fair.
हाँ
Last Wednesday, I went to the Dashera Fair with my family.
हाँ।
We all reached there by bus.
रिच्ड नहीं होता बेटा, रीच्ड।
Reached.
ठीक करें चीजों को। हाँ आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir. First of all, we saw we saw the Ravan. The Ravan was very big. The Shera Fair was looking good,
हाँ
and first of all, we saw some. We saw that some people were being prepared. Ravan.
है।
Some people were being prepared. Ravan.
एक्टिव ही तो बनेगा, पैसिव क्यों बना दिया आपने? सम पीपल वर प्रिपेयरिंग रावण।
सर, कुछ लोगों के द्वारा बनाया जा रहा था रावण।
रावण को पहले लो। रावण वाज बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड बाय सम पीपल।
Okay, sir. There were many shops like namkeens, sweets, and toys, utensils, and clothes,
हाँ
gulab jamuns, samosas, kachoris, and fast food shops, etc. There, some people were purchased
हाँ। परचेजिंग।
some people were purchasing utensils, clothes, and my mother purchased
हाँ
utensils like kadhai, spoons, and oakley, etc.
हाँ।
There were there was a artificial shop. My
एन
mother
आर्टिफिशियल, ए नहीं एन।
an artificial shop. My mother purchased some things there, and there were many swings and merry-go-rounds.
हाँ
Some people were enjoying swings and merry-go-rounds. We all went to near the big merry-go-round.
टू नियर नहीं, वी वेंट टू मैरी गो राउंड्स।
Okay, sir. We all went to a merry-go-round, and we bought ticket,
हाँ
and we enjoyed swing big merry-go-round.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। आगे बोलो।
and some people were eating their fast food
हाँ
like chow mein, pasta, or patashi,
बहुत बढ़िया,
dahi
शाबाश।
bada, etc.
वेरी गुड, आगे बोलो।
and there there was toy shop there. Toy shop. I purchased a little teddy.
ओके, हाँ
and we the Shera
एंजॉय,
enjoyed the Shera fair, and came back we came back by bus,
हाँ
and we at
रीच्ड,
reached home at 4 p.m. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। इसको ध्यान रखना, पास्ट टेंस को रिपोर्ट वगैरह लिखने के काम में आता है पास्ट टेंस, है ना।
Okay, sir.
आपका ये रिपोर्ट वगैरह का बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, बस आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। और ध्यान तो थोड़ा सा,
Okay.
आज तो कॉन्फिडेंस भी अच्छा दिखा तुम्हारे अंदर मुझे, वेरी गुड। यामिनी,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from West B10. Today, I am telling about a fa- fair. Last month, me and my family,
आई,
I and my family and my neighbors went Dashera fair.
हाँ
We went there by car.
हाँ
First, first of all, we bought tickets and went inside.
हाँ, शाबाश।
Went inside. Some there are some people were
ए, दोबारा बोलना।
there are some people.
आर क्यों आएगा भैया?
Sorry, sir. There were some people were.
हूवर,
Sorry, sir.
देयर वर सम पीपल
There
हु,
were who.
हाँ दूसरा क्लॉज बनाओ, हु वर, आगे बोलो ना, क्या बोलना है आपको?
Yes, sir. Who were came.
के मतलब
कुछ लोग आ रहे थे.
हु वर कमिंग,
Who were coming
हाँ
and
टेंस का ध्यान
some
रखो, आगे बोलो।
and some were going
हाँ
and some were going. We visit all the fair and buy clothes, buy utensils, etc., etc. There were so many shops like sweet shop, cloth shop, etc. There
हाँ
are cloth shop. Some people buy clothes. Some people were buying clothes there.
हाँ, ऐसे बोलो आराम से, बस थोड़ा
Some
ध्यान रखोगे ना ऐसे हो जाएगा ठीक। आगे बोलो।
some people were selling. Some people looking clothes.
लुकिंग क्लोथ मतलब
कुछ कपड़ों को देख रहे थे.
सम वर एग्जामिनिंग क्लोथ्स,
Examining clothes. Okay, sir. Some people were eating sweets.
शाबाश
Some
शाबाश।
some people were eating samosas, etc., etc.
हाँ
And my all the friends one by one went all the merry-go-rounds,
हाँ
and our neighbor and my parents went giant wheel.
है वेंट,
Giant wheel.
क्या होता है?
सर एक बहुत बड़ा झूला होता है वहां पे, सबसे बड़ा वो सिर्फ बड़ों के लिए होता है,
अच्छा
बच्चों के
जाइंट, जाइंट, ठीक है, आगे आगे बोलो।
giant wheel. Sometime after some time we go we went circus.
हाँ
We went circus. We enjoy because we enjoy there
हाँ,
because jokers are very funny.
अरे आर नहीं वर,
Jokers were very funny.
हाँ
Um, After some time we went magic house.
हाँ
Um, there are there were so many magicians.
हाँ
They do they did so many tricks.
हाँ
We 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 came outside the magic house.
हाँ
We ate ice cream.
हाँ
We ate etc. and came back home. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड। ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा आप, और थोड़ा
ठीक है।
ध्यान रखो अभी, है ना। थोड़ा सा आपको, जैसे आज एक दो बार आपने बीच बीच में ठीक करने की कोशिश की ना, ऐसी कोशिश किया करो बीच बीच में ठीक करने की, बस फिर काम हो जाएगा। ओके,
Yes, sir.
बस बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। चेतना,
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Chetna Sokaria. I am a student of Rama Introductory classes from batch 10. Today is my topic about a Dasera fair. One day I went to Dasera fair with my friends and family.
हाँ
People were going here and there.
हाँ
We saw many shops, toy shops, sweet shops, books shops, और क्या कहते हैं, बर्तन, सर बर्तन को क्या बोलते हैं? स्टील शॉप्स,
पेंसिल शॉप्स,
पैसे शॉप्स, etc. We saw there was a circus.
हाँ
We saw many people.
हाँ
I purchased a toy.
हाँ
My brother purchased clothes, and my mother purchased sweets.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो आज, करो ऐसी कोशिश करो। हाँ
Some people purchase namkeen sweets.
ऐसे नहीं, some people were purchasing।
Okay, sir. Some people were purchasing sweet namkeens and fast foods.
हाँ ठीक है।
We eat momos and chowmin and patati.
It's नहीं,
We ate momos, chowmin and patati.
हाँ
I full enjoyed with my friends and family.
फुल यहाँ मत लगाओ। I enjoyed much।
I enjoyed much with my friend and family.
हाँ ठीक है।
I come back my house by I came back my house by car.
हाँ
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, अच्छी कोशिश की आज आपने, ऐसी कोशिश किया करो, रेगुलर रहा करो आप।
जी sir.
ओके, यस, कम ऑन श्री।
Hello everyone, my name is Ritikya. Today's my topic is the fair of Dashera. One day I went to the Dashera fair with my brother and fair with my brother fair
हाँ ध्यान से सुना करो।
with my brother and sister. We went there by car. There was too much सर शोर को क्या बोलते हैं? There was too much noise and there was so many people. There were so many people who were going here and there, and we saw there so many shops of clothes, fruits, toys, etc. Many people were purchasing clothes and fruits, and so many children were purchasing toys, and there were so many slides. There were so many children who were sliding on them. We also we also slided on them, and after it we saw a big a big ravana. It was very big, and in evening all people fry all people fired it.
हाँ,
uh, After it many some people were performing
परफॉर्मिंग,
performing drama.
हाँ,
uh, someone was performing the role of Ravan. Some was performing the role of Ravan, etc.
हाँ,
After it we went to we went to we went to circus. We enjoyed there so much, and uh, after it we spent there so much time, so we were hunger. Suddenly we saw a shop of sweet, and we went we went there, and we purchased samosa, jalebi, etc. We ate them, and after it we came back at home by car. We enjoyed there so much. I like that fair so much. That's
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड। मनीषा,
thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am going to tell you uh, the scene of Dashera Fair.
हाँ,
The last month, I went to the Dashera Fair with my friends. I
हाँ,
went there by bus,
हाँ,
and that was very crowdish.
क्राउडिश क्या होता है?
And सर
क्राउडी,
आपने
आगे
बताया
बोलो।
था ना, crowdy. That was very crowdy,
हाँ,
and all people were wearing new and fine clothes,
शाबाश,
and people were going here and there and coming, and there were so many eatables, clothes, utensils, and toys, and there were so many merry-go-rounds and swings. People were enjoying them.
हाँ, वेरी
I
गुड,
al-
बहुत
I
अच्छा।
also I also I also enjoyed merry-go-round,
हाँ,
and the shopkeepers were selling their food by calling people loudly,
वेरी गुड, बहुत
and
अच्छा।
there were three effigies of Ravan, Kumkaran, and Meghnad,
शाबाश, हाँ,
and some artists were performing Ram Leela on the stage, and after Ram Leela, the
हाँ,
with the Ravan with Kumkaran and Meghnad was and burnt,
हाँ,
and after it, all the people were cheering Sri Ram,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
and after burning of the effigies,
ऑफ मत लगाओ।
we ate something, and back home,
हाँ,
and that's it. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने, वेरी गुड। अच्छे से करो इसको, और अच्छी कोशिश करो, वेरी गुड। इच्छा,
Hello everyone, my name is Icha Singh and I am the student of class 10th from batch B10. Today I am telling about a fair. So
हाँ
last week, last week I went I went a fair with my parents.
हाँ
So first of all I took a auto and so first of all we took a auto and
एन ऑटो
an auto
PC
and
होगा।
we went a fair.
द फेयर
Um,
हाँ
we went to the fair.
हाँ
We we I saw many shops in the fair
हाँ
like toy shops, food shops, clothes shop, etc.
हाँ
So first of all, I went. Uh, I went a clothes shop, a clothes shop
टू ए क्लोथ शॉप
to a cloth shop and
पीछे आगे बढ़ी।
uh, there were many there were some people were purchasing clothes, so I also bought clothes.
हाँ शाबाश बहुत अच्छा घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बस ये प्रैक्टिस करो बोलो
After it uh, after it I went to toy shops and and there were so and there were uh, many people purchasing toys and
हाँ
I also bought toy.
हाँ
There were many people walking here and there.
हाँ
Uh, there were there were many stalls. Uh, after it I went uh, to the fast food shop
हाँ शाबाश
and
शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो मेरी वजह से
and
यार
I bought many things like I bought pani puri and burger, etc. After
हाँ
it, I saw. Sorry, there was a twin. सर वो क्या आपने बोला था झूले के लिए swings.
स्विंग्स स्विंग्स हाँ
There was a big swing. We enjoyed in swing.
हाँ वी एंजॉयड इट
We enjoyed it and we after it we saw a big circus, so I went there with my family
हाँ
and we and I and there were many types of jokers in the circus.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश
Uh,
बोल दीजिए बोल दीजिए बोल दीजिए
the jokers were very funny, so we enjoyed in the circus.
द सर्कस इन नहीं
We enjoyed the circus and after it became I became sorry we became our house.
वी केम बैक बेटा
We came back our house. That's
हाँ
it, sir.
शाबाश बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की दिमाग को थोड़ा जोर पड़ा ना आज कोशिश की ना बस यही प्रोसेस है रेगुलर करोगे ना आप इस प्रोसेस को बहुत स्मूथली चलेगा फिर आपको इतना जोर नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा बस ये करते रहो आप बस यही चीज है मेन बस इसी को ईमानदारी से करते रहो आप हो जाएगा काम आपका हो गया प्रैक्टिस करोगे और स्मूथनेस आ जाएगा यस निकिता निकिता,
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita and today my topic is about the Dussehra fair.
हाँ
Last week I went to Dussehra fair
हाँ बोलते जाओ।
by bus. There were so many shops.
हाँ
First of all, I saw sweet shops.
हाँ
There people were buying laddus, jalebi, gulab jamun, etc.
शाबाश।
Me and my friends also bought gulab jamun and laddus.
हाँ
There were some people selling potato chips and samosa.
हाँ
There were some pot shop and some fruit shop.
हाँ
I saw a big merry-go-round where the children were having fun riding.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
A large number of people were making great noise.
वेरी गुड।
There were so many police.
हाँ बोलो।
There was also a circus inside which someone people were showing the circus.
विच
Which someone people were
समवन
showing.
पीपल का मतलब
मतलब कुछ लोग
तो समवन क्यों बोल रहे हो आप? वन का मतलब तो एक से हो जाएगा ना, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो बेटा।
Ramlila was organized there.
हाँ
We saw it.
हाँ वी एंजॉयड इट। हाँ ठीक है, वी साइड, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो। हाँ आगे बोलो।
After watching the circus, me and my friend went home in the evening.
वी मीनिंग आई एंड माय फ्रेंड।
Okay, sir.
हाँ और हो गया? ओके हो गया।
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश। और कोई रह तो नहीं गया? अब सबका हो गया? ओके